Hey, what's up guys? Charles Hancock here. I'm not going to take too much of your time. This is just a short video about resurfacing and care of a chalkboard. For the job, I'm going to be using basic paint rollers and brushes and tools available at any place that sells hardware. A drop cloth of some nature is a handy helper for keeping things clean. And I'm going to be laying down some Rust-Oleum chalkboard paint, also available at most hardware stores. You know, when I was in school, all throughout my education, chalkboards were really prevalent. I believe now they use whiteboards, dry erase boards, and iPads. I'd be really interested in hearing from you guys. Comment down below and let me know, when was the last time you can remember using a chalkboard, or that you've considered putting chalk in your art? I'm using only water and a rag to remove any residual chalk and dust from the surface. I pay particular attention to make sure the entire surface is clean. Before I move on, I must let the board completely dry. It was pouring rain on the day this was filmed. With such high humidity, I had to use a towel and a cardboard box to help speed the drying process along. Is next to godliness. I've improvised a drop cloth with a 50-gallon trash bag. I forgot my own drop cloths at home. If you'd like to keep up with my updates, you can follow on my social media. Links are all throughout this video. If you think the content that I'm providing has some value to you or to somebody you know, you can subscribe down beneath in the description box or by hitting that icon in the corner of the video. When I would just lay on chalkboard paint, I chose to do it in 3 layers. I try to let it dry as much as possible between layers, but otherwise, it's as easy as that. Make sure to follow the directions on the back of the can. So for the last part of this, we're going to just put some of this frog tape across the board and a little sign that says do not touch. Till Wednesday.
One eternity later.
We can see the beautiful resurfaced chalkboard. You can see there's no more stains of words. And now it's ready for some chalk. And I'll see you in the next video. When was the last time you could remove? They don't really use chalkboards in school anymore. Comment down below if that's true. Bye. Bye.